One public CTO burned their entire AI budget by April. Now that's what can happen when you build AI without the right foundation. Here at HPE Discover, I've seen 6 signals that tell you what the foundation actually requires. Antonio Neri, he framed it perfectly. You don't design a building around a single room. You design a structure that allows the whole system to flow and to adapt. And that's the architecture question every enterprise needs to answer right now. Signal 1, tokenomics. Now, a chatbot interaction costs 4 cents. An agentic task costs 100 times more. So 1,000 agent tasks today, $1.3 million a year in cloud bills. Now the economics of an on-premise AI infrastructure have never been more clear. Now when you run your own AI factory, the variable cost of a token is essentially 0. Now signal 2. The network is a performance determinant. It is not plumbing. NVIDIA described this as the force scaling law. Model talking to model, for example, continuously, and there's no loop, there is no ceiling. So the infrastructure demands for that pattern are unlike anything that we have seen before. So a small network delay across hundreds of thousands of GPUs means a training model in 90 days or in 30 days. So that's the difference between chasing a breakthrough and making one. Now signal 3. Agentic AI has brought the CPU back. Agents just don't generate tokens. They call tools, they run SQL, they execute code, they call APIs. So every one of those actions, they run on the CPU. So if the CPU is the bottleneck, every agent slows down. So the NVIDIA Vera CPU cuts the agent tools wait times by over 40%. The New York Stock Exchange deployed it, and they saw a 6-time improvement in streaming tail latency. So these are production results, and they are becoming the baseline requirement. Now signal 4. Governance is production requirement most organizations are basically unprepared for. 82% have unknown agents running in production today, and 65% have experienced agent-related security incidents. Now, a senior product manager had an AI agent accidentally delete all the emails. He described shutting down the computer as defusing a bomb. Now, what NVIDIA and HPE are shipping is OpenShell. Policy enforcement at the OS kernel level. So not inside the prompt, but outside the agent entirely. Now, signal 5. Power is the constraint that nobody is budgeting for, where an AI factory turns electrons into tokens. Now we see the US is heading for a 90 gigawatt power gap by 2028. And what makes the Siemens Energy story remarkable is the closed loop that they are building the energy infrastructure AI requires. And they are using HPE AI to do it faster. So the company solving the energy crisis is powered by the technology creating it. Signal 6. The ecosystem breadth confirms that the market basically has moved. So 1% of the organizations reported AI value last year, 28% this year. Vultr, which is the world's largest privately held hyperscaler, said plainly, we are not even close to overbuilt. Now, if the Dallas Cowboys, the Ryder Cup and St. Jude's Children's Research Hospital, if a hyperscaler, a sports franchise and a children's hospital converge on the same infrastructure, that's a market signal. Enterprise AI is entering a system architecture era. Token economics drive on-prem. The force scaling law requires purposely built network fabric. Agentic AI requires a new class of CPU. Production requires infrastructure level governance. And power requires the energy planning most IT teams have never attempted. And one signal points further ahead. Post-quantum encryption is already on the roadmap for sovereign AI. Now, the architectural decisions you make today will need holes across computing paradigm shift within this decade. So the question is no longer whether to build, it's whether the foundation that you are building can carry the full weight from what's coming.